Hello, solar detectives. Welcome back to Good News AI. I'm Max.
And I'm Luna. Today we're about to blow your minds with an incredible discovery that took 50 years to solve.
That's right. Scientists at the University of St. Andrews just cracked one of the sun's biggest mysteries, and what they found is absolutely mind-blowing.
Max, imagine if there was a puzzle about our sun that scientists couldn't solve for 50 years.
Well, Luna, that's exactly what happened. Since the 1970s, scientists noticed something strange about solar flares. Those massive explosions on the sun's surface.
Solar flares are like the sun's version of fireworks, but a billion times more powerful. They shoot energy into space that can even affect our satellites and astronauts.
But here's the mystery. When scientists looked at the light from these flares through special telescopes, they saw spectral lines that were much wider than they should be.
It's like trying to read a book where some words are mysteriously blurry. Scientists knew something was making these lines spread out, but they couldn't figure out what.
For decades, they thought it might be turbulence, like cosmic winds swirling around in the flare. But no matter how hard they tried, they couldn't prove that theory. Enter our solar detective hero, Dr. Alexander Russell from the University of St. Andrews.
Dr. Russell became like a space detective, but instead of solving crimes, he was solving cosmic mysteries.
He had a brilliant idea. Instead of just looking at solar flares, he decided to look at research from completely different areas of space science.
He studied magnetic reconnection. That's when magnetic field lines in space snap and reconnect, releasing enormous amounts of energy.
And here's where it gets really exciting. Dr. Russell discovered that magnetic reconnection heats ions, that's positively charged particles, 6.5 times hotter than electrons.
This discovery had been confirmed in near-Earth space, in the solar wind, and in computer simulations. It seemed to be a universal law of the universe.
But here's the detective breakthrough. Nobody had ever connected this universal law to solar flares. It was like having the missing puzzle piece right in front of them all along.
Dr. Russell realized that maybe, just maybe, the ions in solar flares were getting much, much hotter than anyone had ever imagined. Max, are you ready for the most mind-blowing temperature ever recorded?
Hit me with it, Luna!
Solar flare ions can reach over 60 million degrees Celsius. That's 6.5 times hotter than scientists previously thought.
To put that in perspective, the center of the sun is about 15 million degrees. These flare ions are 4 times hotter than the sun's core.
And get this? The surface of the sun is only about 5,500 degrees. These ions are more than 10,000 times hotter than the sun's surface.
At 60 million degrees, these ions would instantly vaporize any material we know. Steel melts at 1,500 degrees, gold melts at 1,000 degrees. But these temperatures would turn any element into plasma instantly.
And here's the amazing part. This discovery finally solved the 50-year mystery. Those wide spectral lines weren't caused by turbulence. They were caused by these super hot ions.
It's like realizing that what you thought was a blurry photograph was actually showing something incredibly hot and energetic that you never knew existed.
Dr. Russell said this represents a complete paradigm shift. That means scientists have to completely change how they think about solar flares.
Luna, this discovery isn't just cool science. It actually helps protect us here on Earth.
Exactly, Max. Understanding solar flares better helps us predict space weather, which can affect our satellites, GPS systems, and even power grids.
This research also helps us understand magnetic reconnection everywhere in the universe, from the sun to distant galaxies.
And it shows us just how incredibly powerful and amazing our sun really is. We've been living next to this cosmic powerhouse for billions of years.
Plus, this discovery proves that sometimes the biggest breakthroughs come from connecting different areas of science together.
Dr. Russell didn't just study solar flares. He looked at space plasma physics, computer simulations, and observations from near Earth. That's how real scientific detectives work.
So there you have it, a 50-year-old solar mystery finally solved, revealing that our sun is even more incredible than we ever imagined.
From mysterious spectral lines to 60 million degree ions, this discovery shows us that the universe is full of amazing surprises waiting to be discovered.
Thanks to Dr. Russell and his team at the University of St. Andrews, we now understand our sun in a completely new way.
And who knows? Maybe one of you watching will become the next solar detective and solve the next great cosmic mystery.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible solar adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep looking up at our amazing sun.